What's up guys, it's K with 3D Printing Technologies. For this video I'm going to be going over some of the 3D printing in fabrics and fashion industry. Sort of like a yearly type video like a few of our past videos have been. So there's really two topics this video is about. One's 3D printing fabrics and the second is 3D printing fashion. These are generally categorized together. There's a few differences, but they're basically the same thing. 3D printing fashion typically involves clothing, like shoes or 3D printed dresses, outfits you see in fashion shows. And then 3D printing fabric typically refers to 3D printing on fabrics. An example would be you print a base layer on your FDM 3D printer. Lay a piece of fabric down, like one layer like nylon or denim or something along those lines, and then continue 3D printing on top of that so that the fabric is in between the two 3D printed objects. And then when it's done, you can put it off the build plate and it's flexible. The 3D printed parts stay in place and it flexes, and the fabric allows it to move around sort of like chainmail or something like that. There is also different subcategories other than those two, like 3D printing shoes, 3D printing casts for like broken arms or legs, 3D printing cosplay stuff, etc. So in this video I'll do a Google search for a few of these items, see where everything's at, like a current state of things, show a few examples of each, and just see where it's progress to grow at and what's improving and whatnot. So doing a Google search for 3D printing fashion, this is what we come up with. So the top Google search definition for it is involves turning movable flexible objects into fashion. Here are some of the news articles about it. As you can see, it's started more of like a niche news topics. And then we did the image search. You can see some of the dresses and high-end type pieces, especially fashion show models. There's a few homemade looking pieces here and there, but mostly fashion show stuff. And now we move to the 3D printing fabric. We can see a few videos and stuff on the basic search. Here is where probably the most excitement is on the 3D printing fabrics images. You can see the different flexible objects, whether that's home-based designs or more industrial type. Most of it's in chainmail type pieces with multiple 3D prints, except this one or two. Now we'll move to some of the more subcategories, like a 3D printed cast for broken bones or whatever you need it for. Moving from the cast, we'll go to 3D printed shoes. That's another big subcategory in the 3D printed fashion. We can see a lot of the shoes with the big platform type things on the bottom, and not really much going on with the top part where you raise the shoes up at. There's a few, but not a lot.
Come on, baby. And
Now, here are some of the different fabrics you can use to 3D print on from this guide right here. Got netting and meshes, and just power mesh, cargo netting, tow, rice, polyblend, nylon, etc. Another category in this is accessories, whether it's jewelry, necklaces, rings, earrings, wristwatch bands, maybe purse chains. But we're doing a jewelry search on My Manufactory and a ring search. You can see different ones. These are probably more easier to 3D print or get your hands on than 3D printing outfits. So here's one of the rings I've 3D printed in person. You can see it does have some intricate designs to it, and it's pretty solid. And this is on a FDM 3D printer. There's also a record type 3D printer that you can print stuff onto that's more intricate than this. But this is just one example of 3D printed jewelry. So what's next for 3D printing fashion and fabrics? There's obviously going to be more 3D designs made in the future, like on Thingiverse or My Manufactory, that you can use on FDM or SLA type 3D printers. You'll probably see more bigger brands jump in the 3D printing trend, like Nike, North Face, those type of clothing companies. Definitely see more 3D printed, high-end, unique, runway type fashion designs. So it's probably just a matter of time before we see that stuff. Probably see a few more breakthroughs with 3D printing on fabric, then flexibility type materials and tan shoes and stuff like that coming soon. But that's gonna wrap the video up for this week. If you'd like to be on today's videos, first make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.